What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I actually finally got bucket seats. Had them for about a few days. I haven't installed them. They've just been sitting in my car kind of. So that's basically what I'm about to do right now. Before I actually get to it, I took a L. I had my bumper too low. I had my car too low for like 2 or 3 days after NIST Fest, and kind of scraped up the bumper pretty bad. I mean, it could be worse, honestly. It's not that bad, but it was getting there. So the seats that I actually went with are NRG Prismas. I really like these seats a lot. They stood out to me like when I first saw them. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and then I'll show you guys. Still focusing. All right, so here's the seat. I have the other one in the car, obviously. So, you know, that's not a problem. I did get both seats, so yeah. So these are actually NRG Prisma seats, and they're really, really comfortable. I like them. I've sat in them a few times in friends' cars. Ever since I first saw these seats, like a long time ago, you know, I've been really wanting them. I feel like the gray looks really, really good, and the quality is pretty fire. Like it's Alcantara. I think that's how you say it. So this actually will be my first time installing bucket seats, and I had to put, you know, the brackets on and all that. So hopefully it's not too much of a challenge. It looks pretty simple, honestly. Just, you know, it just bolts up. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, I literally just thought about it and I realized it's probably easier just to put these on and then put them on the bucket seat, because I was actually gonna put these and then put the bucket seat, which would have been dumb. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bolt it up to the Prisma seat, and then I'll install it after I take out my other one. This shit was hard as hell. I ain't gonna lie. It did take me a minute. This is only the driver's side, which I'm only gonna put in right now. I'll do the other one tomorrow or something, maybe. But yeah, so let's go throw it in. We got the sliders and brackets on. Now I just need to take mine out. Okay, so it's a 14, and I'm just gonna take out the seat again, obviously. So let's do it.
Bam, right in the butt. You didn't hold the door.
Oh, you want me to hold it for you?
Bro.
Oh.
I was like, got that on video.
I'm kind of bored.
You got smacked in the butt because of you.
I had to take my fucking wheel off.
Oh, just hold the ass.
It's going to your car.
Yeah, we getting a car wash anyway. It don't even
Why is
matter.
it going to your car, though?
All right, so seat is out. Car is a little messy, I know. I just, you know, whatever. But yeah. Turn around real quick for me, please. No homo.
Turn around for me. Quick. It's okay.
Damn, that shit is going dumb on camera, bro. The back of this thing looks so tight. That thing is going crazy, bro. That's gonna look so good inside. Let's go.
Falling like an athlete.
Damn, that's good.
Look how low it is, though.
Damn, on the fucking ground.
I told you, bro. You're on the ground for sure. Wait, you're missing something.
I'm not.
Damn, there's no way that shit is.
Am I like, hold on, bro.
Yeah, bro, he's on the ground. He's on the floor.
Hold on, bro. I don't think this is. I guess. I mean, I guess.
That's the. Let me see if they're doing
I'm on the ground.
That boy is tiny. Let me
Wait
see.
a
Let me sit.
minute.
Let me sit. I want to sit.
I'm on the ground. It don't look that bad in here. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe because I'm tall. I don't know if I'm not sure if I'm missing something, But it's not bad on the inside, right?
I don't like this sit.
It's different. I feel like it's something you would have to get used to. Those are comfortable though.
Yeah, it's comfortable, but like you can't recline, boy. I need that.
I think yours is the worst, bro.
Lean back.
Wait a minute. Okay, so this is his. He has different seats to me. I don't know. Maybe I'm just.
That's what I'm saying.
Wait, let me see. Y'all, let me know if I'm tripping in the comments. It's not even in the right spot, bro. Wait a minute. It wasn't even.
No,
Did you move it?
It's because I moved it when
Oh,
I got
okay.
out.
Okay. I was like, wait. Okay. So literally, you get in
Hey, you better watch
and
your
you're
mouth.
like on the ground. I don't know.
I'm back on your ass.
Huh.
So I got the worst ones. What you got?
I don't know.
What you got?
What do you guys think?
350?
Is that like too low? I'll let y'all know after I drive it.
Fucking Nissan.
Found it. What? Are you sitting on my salad, bro? I hope not. I hope you're not sitting on my salad, bro. There's no way, bro. Okay. What the fuck? This one's like. No way, Josh. Dude. Like, there's no way, bro. I just assumed that you would throw it on the floor.
Because your sweater was covering it, bro. I didn't see it.
Hey, bro.
You gonna blame me? What the hell?
Bro. Why, bro? Why? You didn't have to do that, bro. Dude.
It's not bad. You be good. That's
Now my salad got farted on
nigga, I was
it,
sitting
bro.
on your sweater.
Damn it, Josh. Dick.
Man, you told me go help you. Fuck you.
Josh, can you?
A little bit. If I got in the back seat, I could push it, but how am I supposed to get back there?
That's all right.
Step on your salad?
I gotta get more food now. Like,
It's only a little dent in it. It's not even messed up.
nigga, my whole shit was flattened like a paper plate.
It wasn't. It was just one part.
I hope you're not sitting on my salad.
Like, bro, why, bro?
Nigga, it wasn't even, bruh. It's because your sweater's in the way. I didn't
Get you.
see it.
Gotta get you a car wash and everything, bro.
Bro, it wasn't even me. Look, look, you got your hat hiding under here. I could have sat on your hat, bro.
See, then you would have been not unfriended, but you would have been over, bro. All right, so I pulled up to the car wash just to clean off, you know, the interior a little bit. And a car wash, obviously, because my car was looking like really, really dirty. These seats are actually pretty tight. I didn't drive that far with them. I kind of just drove around the corner, but they're actually pretty comfortable. Looks pretty good on the inside too. I got finessed. Dang. Got finessed by the carpet wizard, bro. By the carpet wizard. It's over. Take a gamble. I don't know. You can see if it's gonna work. You gotta, oh, okay, it went down. That was $1.50 just down the drain. I don't even want to look at you, bro. So I found this. I gotta put it. See if he notices. See if he notices.
Hey,
Man,
nigga, walking up looking on my shit?
look at me.
You think that you, bro?
What are you talking about? Tell me why I found that in my trunk for some reason, bro. I think somebody put it on my car a long time ago. Okay, guys. So, I'm gonna go ahead and put the passenger seat in now. I still need to put the brackets on it and everything. I'm not gonna lie, the difficulty level of putting this seat in was actually kind of hard. I mean, it wasn't hard, but it was just like you had to be so precise and getting everything lined up, like the brackets and the sliders. And I think I'm still gonna have to take it out because I might have to mess with the slider a little bit. But other than that, I mean, it's cool. Like, I could deal with it. It's not that bad. Another thing is the seat belt. Actually, I might have to take that out and like try to move it around because it's kind of like in a weird spot. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of hard to get to, low key, and I don't want to struggle to, you know, put the seat belt on all the time. Okay, so I have the sliders on, kind of. So this is the first part that goes on, if you guys are wondering. you know, if you ever got these seats, you have to put the sliders on first, and then the bracket, which is right there in there. So yeah, I'm just gonna pretty much bolt it up. Oops. I'm just pretty much bolt it up like this. And then this one bolts to the bottom, obviously. So let me just do that. Okay, so both sliders are in and bolted down. Now basically I just need to take this out, make sure that the bracket right here lines up correctly. And, or actually, I'm missing one thing. I do need to put this on. But yeah, after my bad, here I am. Okay, so I just need to put this on and that's it. Let's see. So this is basically just like, it's supposed to be pointing up. And it just pretty much goes in like that. And some people like bend it a little bit so that you know you could put it in between. So I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so now that the sliders and the slider setup is on, whatever. So now I just gotta put this on. I'm done. I was looking for this. Here it is. All right, let's do it. That was not the easiest thing in the world, but did it. Found a bolt in there. Nice nut. Wow. Okay, so basically you can see how this bracket is like set up on the OEM seat. How it's flat on the back, and then it's like curved downward in the front. So basically that's how you want it. So that's how you know this is for the front and then this is for the back, this side. So yeah, honestly I'm probably not gonna record this whole thing, but I'm gonna just bolt this up to the seat and then I'll throw it in. I know this video has been kind of all over the place, but as you can see, the seats are in. You guys don't understand how much of a headache it was to install these bucket seats. Like, I know it looks pretty forward and simple, but at the same time it was a little bit complicated. It was just giving me a headache, especially the passenger side. So the seats are actually pretty comfortable. They're made of Alcantara. I think that's how you say it, Alcantara. Yeah, they're pretty comfortable, pretty soft, like suede. They're not dirty. You guys see that, but like that, you can do that. But yeah, they're pretty comfortable. I've been driving in them I've had them in for almost a week, and yeah, I love them, to be honest. I said I was gonna do all black interior, but these seats, I've had my eye on them for the longest, and these are the ones that I actually wanted. So I got them. The only thing is the fitment on this side. Like, I did everything I possibly could. Well, as you can see, like, the seat's getting kind of beat up, but I did everything possible to slide it over more like this way. Like, if you look at that bracket right there, you can obviously see that I cut it and everything. Like, it just wouldn't slide over more. There's a mask right here. What the heck? I know I need a vacuum, and I know this is not pretty, but like I said, I'm gonna be getting some floor mats. They're gonna look pretty sick with the seats. But yeah, so this is pretty much the only issue I have with these seats. Like, this one actually is too far over to the door side, and the door pretty much hits like right here, and you kind of have to slam the door to keep it closed, because if you just okay, all right, well, that was not a good example. But like, as you can see, like, the seat is moving, it hits the seat. So you have to pretty much like slam this door, which I hate doing, obviously, because I don't want to damage the seat, but I have no choice, and I'm not finna sit here and take these out. Like, you guys just don't understand. It was just so much of a headache, and I'm done with that. So that's cool, whatever. But interior is looking way more complete, and I love it. You know, I just had to deal with it, whatever. Is, you know, I can't move it over anymore, so my door is just gonna be touching it, whatever, I guess. So and I'm definitely not taking them out. Definitely not taking them out. I don't plan on that because it's a headache. So if you guys are wondering, you know, why I'm up here, it's because I'm actually about to do a photo shoot with my guy Carlos. He's gonna bless me with some pics again. So yeah, he sent me to this spot. It's pretty sick. I'm just waiting for him to pull up pretty much. Car is pretty much clean. I didn't have to wash it or anything because I washed it a few days ago. It's fine. So yeah, just waiting for him to get here. He's gonna bless me with some pics. So we out here. My boy Carlos taking pics of the G. Put the bless it. Got that new camera. Man, I can't wait to see how these come out. As you can see, the sunset looks pretty sick. Yes, sir. I'm definitely gonna throw these in the video for y'all to see.